Have you ever seen someone clean a house that is already clean? The table is spotless. The floor is shining. Everything is perfectly arranged. But still, they notice one tiny object out of place, and suddenly, they have to fix it. So, why does this happen? Here's the strange part. Sometimes, they're not really cleaning the house. They're trying to calm their brain. Psychology has a concept called compensatory control theory. When life feels uncertain, when emotions feel messy, or when too many things feel outside our control, the brain may search something it can control, and cleaning gives exactly that. You may not be able to control your future, your relationships, your problems, or what other people do. But you can control where that chair goes, how those clothes are folded, and whether that table is perfectly clean. And then something even more interesting happens. You feel stressed, you clean, and for a moment, you feel better. Psychology calls this negative reinforcement. The brain learns, stress feels bad, cleaning reduces that feeling. So next time I feel uncomfortable, clean again. And slowly, cleaning can become more than a household task. It can become a coping mechanism. That's why some people suddenly start cleaning before an important exam, after an argument, when guests are coming, or even late at night when they can't stop thinking. The room becomes organized because their mind doesn't feel organized. So, how do you stop cleaning from becoming your automatic response to stress? First, delay the urge. Something that is already clean. Wait just 10 minutes, don't fight the feeling, just notice it. Ask yourself, is this actually dirty? Or am I feeling anxious, bored, angry, or out of control? This simple pause helps separate the emotion from the cleaning habit. Second, leave one harmless thing slightly imperfect. A cushion not perfectly aligned. One cup on the table for a few extra minutes. A book slightly out of place, and notice the discomfort. Without immediately fixing it. This teaches your brain something powerful. Nothing terrible happens when everything isn't perfect. Over time, your brain can become more comfortable with small imperfections. Third, when stress hits, try a different response before cleaning. Take a short walk. Write down what is actually worrying you. Do slow breathing. Talk to someone. Or sit quietly for 5 minutes. Because if cleaning is your only way to feel calm, your brain never learns another way. But remember, loving a clean house does not automatically mean OCD. Sometimes it's personality, sometimes habit, sometimes stress relief, and sometimes it's simply the brain searching for a sense of control. But if cleaning feels impossible to resist, takes hours, causes intense distress, or interferes with daily life, talking to a qualified mental health professional can help. So the next time you find yourself cleaning an already clean room, don't just ask, what else needs to be cleaned? Ask, what am I feeling right now? Because sometimes, the mess isn't on the floor, it's the stress inside the mind. And sometimes, healing begins when we stop organizing the room and start understanding the emotion.